Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to get kids ready to school independently by themselves. How? By empowering them. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to make them to do all the tasks by themselves by giving a very less support. And yeah, it looks quite challenging. But let me show what weapon I have got for this. And here is the chart. See, this is the chart, which is basically with the generic activities, which you think your child can do it by themselves. And you can customize this chart according to the child, but remember to be very specific. Uh, we need to make them to do all these activities by themselves and make it, mark it in the respective boxes. The empty spaces which are right below is for marking that they are done with the activity. Now fun with the chart. No, I see. Basically, we should make this activity as a fun in order to grab their attention towards the chart. How can we make this as a fun? We can make them to color or draw in the particular boxes, or make them to stick some stickers like how I showed in the example chart. But if you're buying a stickers, make sure it is something which your kid loves to have it. Whom does this chart is useful for? This chart is useful for anybody who can read, be it a student or an adult. In order to accomplish our goals or tasks or activities, we can use this chart. This is for a beginner's chart, and there is a steps 2 and step 3 charts, which I would be sharing it in a different video. Here comes the chart for the kids who are yet to read. I have instead of writing the tasks, I have mentioned, I have given the pictures for it. So they get to do, they get to understand what exactly they need to do, do it by themselves. When it comes to the smaller kids, give the tasks to them which you think that they would be able to handle it. Don't overboard them with many tasks which they might not be comfortable with it. What happens by doing this? No, basically they are going to do all their tasks in a fun way. We are just going to induce a little bit of happiness and fun inside their brains, to make them to do all the tasks by themselves. That's what it is happening. Uh, See, and also moreover, they here, they get to mark each and every time physically once they are done with a particular task. So that gives a little bit of appreciation that yes, I have done this, yes, I have done that. When each and every time when they feel that yes, I have done this, their confidence levels raises up, and they get a kind of a good feel and happiness, the fun, because they get to play with the stickers. They're going to put a stickers over there in the boxes or mark color. It's a fun thing, for the kids, so they would love it, trust me. The magic point here is we don't need to remind them what to do next because it is already there in the chart. Wow. What a relief. As a mother, yes, it's definitely a relief point for me because I don't like to say what has to be done next time. It is kind of a nagging. Next is appreciation. When it comes to appreciation, I have added a screening for screening in right below the chart. They get to understand once they complete all the tasks by themselves on time, they are going to have their fun time. And note, see, stick this chart basically in a place where the kids can easily access, or where they spend most of their time in most of the time during this no during these tasks. And also make sure when you're sticking the chart, make sure that you put the stickers and the color pencils or sparkle pencils or whatever you want, pens, or right next to the chart. You stick them along, so that it will be easier for them to access and do it. Or somewhere, and if the chart is somewhere, again, it takes the time, and it also they might even lose the interest. So make sure everything at one place, in one area, and they get to have an easy access. And the takeaway is here. I have included these spreadsheets right below, in the description box. If you want, you can just download it and just customize according to your child's needs. And please remember to be very specific now when it comes to the elder child or child who can read. When it comes to the younger one, as I said, don't overboard them. Just give them the little bit, few tasks, and after the once you feel that they are comfortable doing with those tasks, maybe include them on a weekly basis, so that they will have that ease. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know if you have tried, and know about your own experience in the comment section. That would add a great value to me. I would like to know about it, how other moms feel. Thank you.